Good morning, all. This is Farooq Azam, and you are watching OXBRIDGE Talks. Today, once again, I have come up with a new video with my two best friends, Mr. Asif and Mr. Akash. They are going to talk. We will have a normal conversations. Asif and Prakash, they'll talk on some topic, and the purpose of this is for you actually. They are going to talk because they are also learning, and if you want to learn how to speak, trust me guys, this video is going to work for you a lot, because just to know how to speak is not enough. Practically you have to do it also. Mostly the videos are there on the YouTube. They talk, you do this, you do that. Some of them they give you some translation and all. With that you cannot learn how to talk. You can learn just to translate your Hindi into English, but if you want to really learn how to talk, there is a need of environment. So such video, if you watch on daily basis, it will help you to learn a lot. Like they are going to talk, there will be some corrections while if they are committing mistakes. So if you are watching on daily basis, you will learn how to talk. Your brain will be strong in such case. You will get the habit of. So after listening such videos especially, you should try talking to your relatives, might be your brothers, sisters, or you may have friends. You can talk to them. And before I start with them talking, once again I would like to remind you, in case you are watching the first time this video and you have not subscribed, must do it, share it, you like it, and must it's share with the friends. If you are getting the benefit, I want better your friends should also get the benefit. If you are watching, listening carefully, and you are really excited, interested to learn, you can learn with the help of this. I have my separate video especially for the grammar also, where I am talking completely in Hindi, because to make you understand with the grammar, there is a need of Hindi actually, then I do also. So now I would like to start with the introduction of Mr. Asif and Mr. Akash. And the topic, I got the good topic actually. Asif, your matric exam is over.
Yes.
Asif is a student of matric class. Suppose just few days before, exam of your matric is over now and you are free. Some of your friends have planned to go out for refreshment, because before you start your 11th class, some days, some months are there where is cooling period. You don't have any syllabus. Am I right?
Yes.
So you also decide to go there with them. But can you go directly? Since you are the students of only matric. In such case, being a student of matric, he or she or they don't have permissions to go anywhere directly. You need to get permissions. Who are your guardian? Like here at this moment, your brother Mr. Prakash is your guardian. So you will talk to him and discuss about the trip on which you are going with the friends. And I hope Prakash you understood.
Yes.
You are going to play a role of elder brother of Mr. Asif and talk the sentence
Yes.
which has another sentence. Don't talk with the full stop like he is talking. My dear bro, my friends are going somewhere. I'm interested to go for 3 days. May I go? You say go. Then topic finish in such case. So we have to talk something which has another sentence. Or in case if you fail to think, I'm here to help you with the Hindi also and with the English also. That's okay. So first you will give introduction, your name, and that's it. No introduction better. I already to my audience guys, look at here. This is Mr. Asif.
Yes, sir.
Asif, a boy of originally which class?
11.
11th class. And I suppose now making junior more actually, and you are of
3rd year.
third year, BA or BSc? BCom, third year. Great. So with your permission, guys, I would like to start now. Action.
Hello, brother. Hello.
Wait.
How are you?
Wait. Speak loudly.
Hello, brother. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, and you? I'm also fine.
More sound.
I am also fine.
Some more sound.
I am also fine.
Good.
Brother, my matric exam is finished. Yeah, I know. And I decided to go in visit in the Delhi.
Repeat.
Brother, my matric exam is finished.
Sound is very slow. You have taken breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If not, then I get for you. Do I get breakfast for you?
Yes.
Okay, I know that you got a new sister at the home, na? She cooked breakfast for you. Yes, na?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now say loudly, yeah.
Brother, my metric exam is finished.
My matric exam is over and अब मैं free हूँ.
And I am free
Now,
now.
मेरे कई सारे दोस्त ने प्लान किया है.
My some friends are
चलो ठीक है.
decided.
My some friends have
My some friends have decided
to
to
go
go
to
in-
visit
to visit,
और मैं भी चाहता हूँ उनके साथ जाऊँ.
and I decided also.
Sound. I also want
I also want
to go with
to
them.
go with them.
No, you can't go because you don't able to go with your friends
Rep-
now.
wait, repeat.
You don't able to go with.
Start from the first sentence.
No, you can't go
Because
because you not able to.
you
You
are
are not able to go with
with
your
them.
friends because you are now
Just matric
matric
student.
students.
मुझे नहीं लगता तुम्हें उनके साथ जाना
I
चाहिए.
don't think you go.
Repeat with the sound.
I don't think you go with your friends.
तुम घूमना चाहते हो?
You want to visit?
कुछ दिन इंतजार कर लो.
Wait some days.
मैं अगले महीना
I
मुंबई जाने वाला हूँ.
I have to go.
मैं अगले महीना मुंबई जाने वाला हूँ. मैं हूँ जाने वाला.
I am to go to Mumbai
अगले महीना.
next month.
Now you have started learning. Good. Repeat with the sound.
I am to go to Mumbai in next month.
मैं तुमको अपने साथ वहाँ ले जाऊँगा.
I will take with you.
Repeat.
I will take you also.
Sound is less. Repeat
I will take you also
with me.
with me
वहाँ.
there.
Make full sentence.
I will take you there with me.
भाई, please.
Brother, please.
मैं नहीं चाहता आपके साथ जाना. Sound.
I not decided.
मैं
I
नहीं
want-
चाहता.
I not want.
I don't
I don't
want
want
to go
to go
with you.
with you.
मैं चाहता हूँ अपने दोस्त के साथ जाऊँ.
I want to
Go
I want to go my friend,
with my friends.
with my friend.
और मेरे दोस्त में कई लोग सीनियर भी है. In my friends
In my
group,
friend groups,
कई लोग सीनियर भी है.
some person.
Many are
Many are
seniors
seniors
also.
also.
Repeat with the sound.
In my friend
Group.
In
In
my
my friends group.
in my friends group, many are persons.
Many persons are
Many persons are
senior also.
senior also.
आप टेंशन ना ले.
You don't take tension.
Sound.
You don't take tension.
Sound is not coming.
You don't take tension.
मैं बस 3 दिन के लिए जा रहा हूँ.
I
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I will go only 3
नहीं नहीं
days.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am go only 3
I
days.
am going
Sorry, I am going also 3 days.
only for
Only for 3 days.
3 days. तुमको लगता है तुम जा सकते हो?
You think?
Sound.
You think you can go?
Repeat.
You think you can
सवाल
go?
है क्या तुमको लगता है?
Are you think?
Do you think
Sorry, do you think
तुम जा सकते हो?
you can go with alone?
अलोन कैसे हुआ? दोस्त है ना. Do you think you can go with them?
Do you think you can go with them?
तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
You don't have problem.
You will have.
You will have no problem.
Yes bro.
Yes, bro.
ठीक है. It's okay.
It's okay.
अगर तुमको लगता है कि तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा तो जाओ.
If you think
Hello.
don't have-
Here listen. It's not there. हाँ.
if you think you don't have any problem, then you can go.
Go. लेकिन
But
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
where are you going?
Superb. Repeat with the
Where are you
sound.
going?
Repeat.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? राजगीर भाई.
Brother, I am going to Rajgir.
ठीक है.
Okay.
तुम्हारे कितने दोस्त जा रहे हैं?
How many friends are you?
तुम्हारे कितने दोस्त जा रहे हैं? Your how many friends are
Your how many friends are going?
going? मैं और प्लस मेरा 4 दोस्त. Me
Me
and my.
4 friends.
हम टोटल 5 जा रहे हैं. We 5
We 5 total.
are going.
We
है ना?
5 are going.
We understand ना? See, you forget the recording is going on. You feel you are learning. Where are you, Aditya? Why do you have a phone in the hand? That's the problem. Miss Sakshi, be close. Come, focus to listen. What do you feel? It's a duty we are doing. It's a duty. Forget the recording is going. Guys, audience, sorry, huh? Forget the recording is going on. Enjoy the class, just learning, right? Okay. ठीक है तुम जाओ.
Okay, you can go.
शुक्रिया.
Thank you, brother.
More sound.
Thank you, brother.
कब जा रहे हो?
When have you go?
हाँ?
When will you go?
चलो ठीक है. कब जाओगे?
When will you go?
अगर मैं बोलूँ कब जा रहे हो?
When are you going?
When are you?
Going.
Going. Yeah. When are you going?
I am going to.
Sound is very slow. Audience will complain.
I am going to 15 August.
I'm going to or on.
I am going on.
I'm going
15
on
August.
15
August.
August.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
मुझे पैसा चाहिए.
I need money.
How much do you need money?
भाई हम लोग सब 20-20 हजार लेके जा रहे हैं.
Brother, I taken.
We
We
all.
all taken 20.
हम लोग सब 20-20 हजार लेकर जा रहे हैं.
We all
Are going.
are going.
Taking
Taken
20,000.
20,000 rupees.
इसलिए
Because
so
so
आप मुझे 20,000 दो.
you give me 20,000 rupees.
But why? 20,000 is too much money. What are you-
Much money.
Much money.
Repeat. Why?
Why? 20,000 is much money. And what are you doing?
What will you do?
What will you do?
इतने पैसे का.
That much
Of this much money.
Yes.
भाई 20,000 बहुत कम है.
Brother, 20,000 is
It's very less.
than.
हम लोग कार से जाएंगे.
We are going.
हम लोग जाएंगे.
We
We will go
will go to. By,
to क्यों?
Sorry, we will
आराम से
go
आराम
by.
से आराम. हम लोग कार से जाएंगे
We will go by car
and
and
होटल में रुकेंगे.
rest to
रेस्ट नहीं, आराम नहीं करेंगे. We will stay.
stay to hotel.
We will
We will
stay
to hotel.
in the hotel.
So in the hotel.
होटल में खाएंगे.
Uh,
We will eat
we will eat
in the hotel.
in the hotel.
20,000 तो कम हो जाएगा भाई. हो सकता है हम आपको फोन करेंगे और लगाने के लिए.
20,000 is less than.
20,000 may be less.
20,000 may be less.
हो सकता है. हो सकता है. It may be possible. It
It
may.
may be possible.
मैं आपको फोन करूंगा.
Then I will call.
I'll call you.
I'll call you
पैसा भेजने के लिए. To send
to send a money.
money. नहीं. To send
To send
money.
money.
ठीक है.
Okay.
तुम्हें 20,000 मिल जाएगा.
You
You will get
You will get 20,000.
sound.
You will get 20,000.
Thank you bro.
Thank you, bro.
5,000 अभी दे दीजिए. 15,000 बाकी जाने के वक्त.
Now you will give
5,000
5,000 rupees
and बाकी
and
rest
rest money
आप देंगे.
you will give
Sound
and rest money
you will give me
me
on
on
15
15th
August.
15 August.
Now what are you doing?
What will you do of
What
money?
will you do money?
हम लोग होटल बुक करेंगे.
We
We will book.
will book the hotel.
Repeat with the sound.
We will book the hotel.
Sound should be more like me.
You will book.
We बस जोर से बोलने से we you नहीं हो जाएगा.
We
Will.
we will book the hotel.
Booked नहीं. We will book the hotel. ठीक है.
Okay.
No problem.
No.
मैं तो अभी निकल रहा हूँ.
I'm just
Leaving now. ऑफिस के लिए.
For office.
भाभी को मैं फोन कर दूंगा. 5,000 रुपया तुम उनसे ले
I
लेना.
will call sister-in-law. You can take from there.
From
Her.
her. Repeat.
I'm going
Now.
now. I will call to sister-in-law.
I'll call to your sister-in-law. आपके तो वाइफ हो गए ना. I'll call your sister-in-law.
I
सुनो सुनो सुनो. वाइफ का नाम पे स्माइल कैसे आया? Are you interested to marry?
yes sir.
और साक्षी, your brother ना? Talk to not now, but you are interested.
You also sir.
Yeah, I was interested. I married already. There is no opportunity for me, but I wish I could marry. But I can marry, but I cannot marry. You want, but
You cannot also, you can now.
I wish, but no, I cannot. No, because handling wife is too difficult. Huh? Because so mentally you won't peace. Yeah, what happened? AC situation, no problem. Speak loudly.
I am leaving now. I will call your sister-in-law and you take from her.
Very good. ठीक है भाई.
Okay, brother.
आप जरूर फोन कर दीजिएगा.
You
Must call
must
her.
call her.
नहीं तो
Don't.
otherwise
Otherwise,
वह मुझे मना कर देगी.
her.
She will say me
She
no.
will say me no.
Repeat.
She will say me no.
चिंता मत करो.
Don't take tension.
मैं जरूर करूंगी. सॉरी, मैं फोन जरूर कर दूंगा.
I will call.
अरे I must.
I must call.
her. It's not.
No, sir.
Good.
I must.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Talk to the audience. Say some message. Audience,
Audience,
you want to learn English?
you want to learn English?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Understood?
Understood.
Good. Give the message.
If you want to learn English, you
Must subscribe.
join in the OXBRIDGE, and you don't able to come here.
If you are not able to come
Then
here
you must subscribe.
and watch from there wherever you are in the world. That's okay, guys. So with this is okay for today. I'll meet you with the next video. Can we all clap for everyone?